I heard Halloween event is started. Ooh.
Lol, what a nooba.
Happy Halloween.
Hey, wait.
Excuse me, what do I do in this event? So what do I do? You need to collect soul fragments by killing vampires.
Vampires!
Okay. Please spawn vampires, Mr. Supporter. Freaking FK! Help me out, moderator.
Hey, I wasn't the phones.
Yeah, right. Hello, Ring Reaper.
It's Grim Reaper, you mortal. Go kill some vampires, nooba, and bring me their delicious souls.
Did you know turtles can fly? Hi!
What the f? Stop surfing! Said, not to PK! I'm going to get some good ammo! This will do the job! What the f? No die?
No!
You need steak, hammer, and steak. Use steak on him, noob.
Yes, sure! Stupid steak hammer! Get ready, vampires, cause nobody is on fire! I collected some salt for you, Ring Reaper. Let's do some trick or treat! Trick or treat?
I'm out of candy, kid, but nice unicorn costume.
But it's skeleton! Trick or treat!
Nobody does that anymore.
But my mom!
Nobody cares.
Boo!
Oh my god, you little so disrespectful. You scared the out of me.
LOL reported!
These kids again.
Trick or treat!
Ah! Hey, come back!
Come back, yeah, sure.
Trick or treat!
Trick.
Please no! Help! Thanks for watching, guys!
See you next time!